and this is the digital poster that you see that I have created. Now images and text about.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to discuss about Google Jamboard, some tips and tricks that will definitely help you while you are teaching your students or your other participants. So as always, please consider subscribing to my channel, give me a big thumbs up, and also do not forget to please share this video with all your friends and families, because that's how you can share the knowledge across in this platform. Now, there are lots of videos that are there in my channel that you can see as of now it is running. So please consider looking at those after you have watched this video. This is Sonit from Techitrical.
So you are on Google, so click on Google and then you can type Jamboard and then pull up the page that comes up first on your selection, or you can also go ahead and select from those dots that you see on the right hand side. Go right at the bottom where you find the Jamboard is. So click on Jamboard and then it pulls up all your recent jams that are there right now on your board. Now I click here computer and accessories as the first option, so I double click it, and this is the digital poster that you see that I have created. Now images and text about a topic really speaks volume, right? Now we have all created posters in classroom, isn't it? But now you can create the same posters and have your students collaborate and share the same. This helps students really engage better than your normal textbooks. So this is the image you can have and pull it from the add image option that is there. You can have it uploaded from your own device. So if I click this, and you can go ahead and select your own images from there, or you can also go ahead and do it from a Google image search. So I type computers and give the search, and it pulls up all the images, but beware that you need to always select the royalty free images, or else you can also pull it from your drive. So it gives you multiple options to select your images, and then you can have these text written from a text box. So you can drag there and you can write whatever you have to write about your topic. Now let me go back to my Jamboard again, and once I am in my board, I click on circle and guess. So now this is a fun part about something new, which is guessing. Now what if that you want your participants to guess something, and you want them to guess where is the Gifford National Park in United States. So you have the map there, and you can move this circle and place it and in the right spot that you would want, and your students can collaborate and engage better. So the way you add this is you click on the circle and then you drag it here, and it actually creates the oval circle for you. Now let me go back to my Jamboard once more, and let me click on the computer and accessories once again. So I double click that and it pulls up. Now here you find the different slides option that you get. Now this is something that I'm going to talk about. Now before I do that, I expand the slides, and here you find 3 slides that are there. Now if you do not want one slide, you can click on the dots and click delete, and that's gone. So now let me again go ahead and collapse this so that I can go ahead and talk about this. Now this is a sticky note brainstorming that I call. So what if that you want students to come and brainstorm about lions? This is the topic that you have discussed maybe in your last lecture, and you can have your students provide information in the sticky notes and have them put here, so that the students that are not well versed with it can also remember this. And this is a great study technique for long-term learning, and retrieval practice definitely helps us to map the image in our brain and recall the reread topics faster and better. Now this is something that you can do by clicking on the sticky note. There are 2 videos that are popping up right now on your screen. One is about the Jamboard tutorial, so please go ahead and check that in case you are not aware how to use the Jamboard, and the other is about the Google Meet. So in case you have liked my video, please do not forget to share this and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Till the next time. Bye bye.